$25 a week, $5,000 a month. Sounds impossible? It's not. With just $25 every week, you can build a portfolio that doesn't just grow, it explodes into a money-making machine, paying you over $5,000 in monthly dividends. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategy that smart investors have used for decades, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the end of this video, you'll see how a simple weekly investment can turn into over $500,000, and why this trick works no matter your income. Grab your $25 because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Let's be honest, saving money is hard. Life gets expensive and it feels like there's never enough left at the end of the month. But here's the thing, you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start investing. All you need is $25 a week and a strategy called DRIP, the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But here's the catch, consistency is key. Stick with it and the results will blow your mind. And don't worry if you've never invested before. This strategy is beginner-friendly, easy to set up, and once you get started, it practically runs itself. So, what's this magical strategy called DRIP? Think of it like this. You know how people say, let your money work for you? Well, DRIP is the ultimate way to make that happen. When you own shares in a company that pays dividends, instead of pocketing those dividends as cash, you reinvest them to buy more shares. And guess what? Those new shares start paying dividends too. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger with every turn. Let me break it down with an example. Imagine you own 100 shares of a company worth $20 each, and it pays a $1 dividend per share every year. At the end of the year, you'll get $100 in dividends. Instead of spending that money, you use it to buy 5 more shares. Now you have 105 shares. Next year, you're earning dividends on 105 shares, not just 100. The year after that, even more. This is compound growth in action. Over time, this snowball effect leads to exponential growth. The more shares you have, the more dividends you earn. And the more dividends you earn, the more shares you buy. But here's where it gets even better. As your dividends grow, they start to outpace your original contributions. This means that after a few years, your money is growing faster than you're adding to it. Now, let's dig deeper into compound interest, because this is where the magic really happens. You've probably heard the saying that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. And for good reason, it's the secret weapon of building wealth over time. Here's how it works. When you reinvest your dividends, you're not just earning interest on your original investment, you're earning interest on the interest you've already made. Let's imagine this. You invest $1,000 in a stock that pays a 5% dividend annually. At the end of the first year, you've earned $50 in dividends. If you reinvest that $50, next year you're earning dividends on $1,050, not just $1,000. It seems small at first, but over time, the effect is massive. After 10 years, your investment isn't just growing linearly, it's growing exponentially. That's the power of compound interest working for you. And here's the kicker. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes. Even small amounts, like $25 per week, can grow into something massive if you're consistent and patient. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes new investors make: trying to time the market. We've all heard the advice, buy low, sell high. But the reality is, timing the market is almost impossible. Even professional investors struggle to predict the best times to buy and sell. That's where DRIP comes in. By using DRIP, you're consistently investing. regardless of whether the market is up or down. This is called dollar cost averaging. Here's why it's powerful. When the market is up, your dividends buy fewer shares, but those shares are worth more. When the market is down, your dividends buy more shares, and when the market rebounds, you benefit even more. Over time, this strategy smooths out the highs and lows, reducing the risk of making emotional investment decisions and helping you build wealth steadily. Let me give you a real-life example. Imagine you started investing in 2008, right before the financial crisis hit. The market tanked, and many people panicked and sold their stocks at a loss. But if you had stuck with your DRIP strategy and kept investing your $25 every week, you would have bought shares at rock-bottom prices. Fast forward to today, and those shares would have skyrocketed in value. This is the beauty of staying consistent. Even in tough times, your investments continue to grow. Now, here's how we take things to the next level. By committing to invest $25 every week, that's $100 a month or $1,200 a year. You're not just growing your portfolio, you're accelerating your financial future. Why does this work so well? Compounding grows faster. Every extra share you buy starts earning dividends sooner. You capitalize on market dips. More frequent investments mean more chances to buy shares when prices are low. It's automatic. Once you set up DRIP, your investments grow without you lifting a finger. And here's the best part. Over time, the dividends you earn will start to outpace your contributions. Imagine this. You're investing $25 a week, but your dividends are adding an extra $50, $100, or even $200 to your portfolio each month. But here's the thing. Not all stocks are created equal. To make the most of your DRIP strategy, you need to pick the right kinds of companies. Here's what I look for. 1. Blue chip dividend stocks. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These companies are solid, reliable, and have a long history of paying dividends. 2. Dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have increased their dividends for 25 plus consecutive years. Examples include AT&T, ExxonMobil, and Walmart. 3. High-yield dividend stocks. These offer higher than average dividends. While they can be riskier, they offer big payouts. Think Realty Income Corp and Verizon. 4. Growth-oriented dividend stocks. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Visa not only pay dividends, but also have strong growth potential. Pick stocks that check at least 3 of these 4 boxes, and you're setting yourself up for success. Now, before you rush out and start investing, let's talk about some common mistakes people make with DRIP strategies and how to avoid them. 1. Chasing high yields only. It's tempting to go after stocks with the highest dividend yields, but that can be risky. Sometimes companies offer high dividends because their stock price is falling or they're in financial trouble. Look for companies with a balance of yield, growth, and stability. 2. Ignoring fees. Some brokers charge fees for reinvesting dividends. Make sure you're using a broker that offers free DRIP options, so your returns aren't eaten up by fees. 3. Not diversifying. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different sectors to reduce risk and ensure steady growth. 4. Pulling out too early. DRIP is a long-term strategy. The real magic happens over decades, not months. Be patient and let compound interest do its work. So, what happens when you stick to this plan? Let's say you invest $25 every week. That's $100 a month or $1,200 a year. After 1 year, your portfolio could grow to $2,560. After 10 years, it's projected to reach $27,825. After 20 years, you're looking at $145,500. And after 30 years, your investment could skyrocket to $823,000. But here's the best part. You're not just building wealth. By year 30, you'll be earning $63,900 in dividends annually. That's $5,280 every month in passive income. And all it took was $25 a week. There you have it, the $25 trick that can make you over $5,000 a month. All it takes is consistency, smart investing, and the power of DRIP. If you're ready to start building your own dividend empire, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips like this.